Blade and belt cover replacement guide. The video content is structured in 3 parts. Ensure you have the correct parts. You will need the following tools before starting the repair. Wear gloves during operation to avoid cuts. Before tipping over the lawn mower, it's advisable to either exhaust the fuel or pour it out to prevent liquid spillage. Tilt the machine 90 degrees with carburetor facing up. It is recommended to use a long rod to secure the blade. Turn counterclockwise to loosen blade bolt, torque greater than 50 Nm. Remove blade adapter assembly and pull belt from pulley. Use 10 mm socket wrench to remove 2 belt cover screws. Remove the belt cover. Disassembled parts as shown. Install the new belt cover onto the machine. Tighten 2 belt cover screws. Install the gasket into the blade adapter, paying attention to the direction of the keyway. Install blade, elastic washer, and bolt to adapter in sequence. Then rotate several times. Install belt into pulley groove. Pay attention to the direction of the keyway. Install entire blade adapter assembly onto power shaft. Torque the screw clockwise to 45 to 48 Nm. Once the blade turns with a wrench, the blade holder is correctly installed. Turn the machine back to its normal orientation. The replacement is complete.